Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: device charged, stable Wi-Fi, and the app installed. Once done, open Update Me and sign in with your account so settings sync. Make sure to grant notification and storage permissions. Without them, updates won't download or install. Tap the initial setup flow and choose your preferred update channel, stable or beta. This gets the app ready to fetch patches. By handling these first actionable items now, you avoid delays later in the update sequence. You'll now run the main update process. Open updates and read the changelog so you understand changes. Once you choose a package, tap Download. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi and battery is sufficient. If download stalls, clear the app cache or retry the network. After download completes, tap Install and follow any on-screen prompts. Sometimes apps require a restart or permission adjustments. Monitor the progress bar and avoid interrupting power. A smooth install reduces risk of corrupt installs, and finish by confirming the update. Check the About screen for the new version and quickly test core features to confirm functionality. Once satisfied, enable auto updates and set backup frequency so future patches are painless. If something goes wrong, first reboot the device and rerun Update Me. If an app misbehaves, restore your backup or reset its data. As a key troubleshooting tip, if installation repeatedly fails, clear the app cache, free storage space, and then retry or reach support with logs attached.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.